Today, we will discuss Speechify and Audible. Both programs help to increase the accessibility of written content in distinct ways. Although Audible is primarily an audiobook platform, Speechify's primary role is text to speech or TTS. Both services provide audiobook libraries. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Speechify. Text-to-speech (TTS) is the main function of Speechify. It transforms written text into spoken audio from a variety of sources including papers and web pages. It offers an audiobook service as well, capable of turning practically any digital text into audio. Also offers a large selection of audiobooks. Audible. Audiobooks are primary service offered by Audible. It provides a large selection of audiobooks with professional narration, specializes in highly created audiobooks, several of which have famous narrators, large audiobook collection, great narration, renowned and respectable. All in all, although Audible and Speechify serve different main purposes, they also have several important things in common, particularly as Speechify grows its selection of audiobooks. Both services make it easier to consume spoken word information. Users can read by listening to them.